Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to access the hidden ambient music playlists on iPhone. Apple has added a new ambient music feature in the control center on iPhone. It is free to use and does not require an Apple Music subscription. So, if you're wondering how to access the hidden ambient music playlist, I have got you fully covered with a quick guide. That said, let's get started. So first up, you have to open the control center on your iPhone by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on the plus button in the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to tap on Add a Control button at the bottom of the screen. Then you have to scroll down to the new Ambient Music Control section and choose from Sleep, Chill, Productivity and Well-being. Then you have to tap any blank space to exit out of the edit mode. Even though it's not obvious, you can actually choose different playlists for each ambient music category. To do so, all you have to do is just bring up the control center. And then you have to tap on the plus icon located at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to tap one of the ambient music buttons that you added to your control center. Now try to avoid tapping the minus symbol or the button will disappear. Then you have to tap the playlist in blue next to playlist. Then you have to select one of the playlists from the drop down. If you select from library, you have to tap choose to pick a playlist from your music library. It's worth pointing out that for sleep category, you can choose from sleep sounds, bedtime beats, sound bath, and piano sleep. And for chill, you can choose from piano chill, ambient chill, lo-fi jazz, and pure chill. And for productivity category, you can choose from beat instrumentals, binaural frequencies, pure focus, and classical concentration. And for well-being, you can choose from pure meditation, spa, beats and breath, and pure calm. And once you have changed the music, just tap any blank space. After that, you can tap again to exit out of the edit mode, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily access the hidden ambient music playlist on your iPhone running iOS 18.4 or later. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy iPhone tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.